Hey everybody, this is Jim King with King Piers. I'm out here with my one and only. This is the best man we got. Enrique's been with me forever, from start to finish. He's been here. Every job we do, he's got his hands in it. And the 5-star reviews has a lot to do with Enrique. So what we got here is another basement renovation. If you take a look over here, Maddie, show that. It's just a little cellar here. Gets full of water when it rains. That's why they got the hot water heater up on blocks. So what we're going to do is we're going to renovate this, and back in these crawl space areas, we got 2 of them. We're going to clean it all out, get all the stuff out of there. We're going to put new footings in there, new support beams. We're going to level everything out, tuck point all the brick. It'll look real good. In here, this is going to look like a brick or a concrete cellar. We're going to mortar over the brick here, and that'll add 2 things: structural integrity to it, more additional structural integrity to these walls, and then it'll add to keep it from leaching water in here. So every one of these bricks is an individual piece, and they're old, at least 100 years old. So stay tuned. We like these projects. Stay tuned as we renovate this. We'll show another video as we progress through here. King Piers, Independence. For all your foundation repair needs, call me, 816-288-4373. You can always go to my website, kingpiers.com. Thank you.